Okay, so here is the protocol for hair loss, alopecia. So it says, when I'm looking at my protocol, it says tongue. You want to get all your magnets, have your tape if you need to tape it on the body. Blue painter's tape is wonderful. If you're using really tiny magnets, you can use the medical tape, you know, that they use if you have to get blood drawn. They just put a little piece of a tape on there. That comes off really easy. Biomagnetism can go through clothes, so it doesn't have to be on bare skin, but this sticks really good. But if you're doing the face or, you know, anything like that, use your soft medical tape. Now the hair, if you're having to stick things on the hair, you can use a little clip. Put the clip in your hair. It has metal on it, and a magnet will stick to a hair clip. Little bobby pins, you can get bobby pins, right? Magnets are going to stick to the bobby pin. Really good way to do the back of your head. If you have a whole bunch, where is my, I had a metal, I don't know where I put it, but anyways, it's a metal hair band. I bought them on Amazon. I don't know where I put that, but anyways, it's metal, it's black. It's probably right in front of me, and you can just put that like right on the back side of your head, on the top, even on the forehead. I have 6 of them. Do you think that I can find them? Anyway, it's a metal hairband, kind of zigzaggy, and you can do that. So the first one, it says tongue. Your tongue is located just right here. So if you like that with your tongue, it's right there, okay? So you're going to take a magnet, and the positive is going to go on the left side, and negative is going to go on the right side, okay? And you're going to hold them there. Do 15 minutes at least, okay? And you can use your medical tape to hold it there. When you're doing biomagnetism, it always radiates out a little bit more. So you're actually getting more than just the actual point. It's coming out a little bit. So, so the tongue, that is for dry, itchy scalp as well. It's for alopecia, and it's when this is imbalanced on the skin, it's a major cause for hair loss. Okay, and it's also psoriasis. Now you have these, you have all that information in the pictures that I sent to you. The next one is the corpus callosum. You can take the 2 magnets. You're going to place the black magnet at the midline and the red magnet more towards the left. This is my left. So you're going to put it like this here and right at the midline, and you're going to hold it. That's where you're going to have those, that is where you're going to have the headband. Oh, here it is. Okay. So if I put a headband on, so what is the black magnet on the midline and the red magnet to the left? This is my left. Okay, and the black is on my midline, red more to the left. There, see how it just sticks on the hair? Okay, so this helps anyone with tuberculosis as well, and it helps brain fog, headaches, migraines, neck stiffness, neurological deficits, like anything like little tics or anything like that. It also helps bacterial meningitis and psychological or psychiatric issues. So, and hair loss. It's really important how just placing the magnets and what it starts doing and what it starts correcting. Pineal cerebellum, this is a major one from Dr. Garcia about hair loss. So it strengthens the hair, it helps the hair to grow back faster. So I'm looking in my manual here, I'm sorry, I don't have all of this, there's like 500 pairs I don't have them memorized. Do not wear jewelry when you're placing magnets on yourself. And if you lay down, have your head towards anywhere but the north end of the house. The north end of my house, when I take a compass, I know that this is the north. Everyone's got a compass on their phone, right? Find out where your north is. Don't lay your head towards the north. It can reverse your polarity, and it can cause all sorts of disruptions in your natural magnetic body. So having your feet towards the north and your head towards the south is great. I personally sleep with my head towards the west, the east, and my feet towards the west. But you just don't want your head pointing towards north. So black magnet, it says it goes on the pineal. Pineal is a gland in the center of your brain. So when you put this on there, it's radiating down to the center. So pineal, and you want the black, and on the cerebellum, the very back, the base of your head. Follow your pictures. Positive goes there, okay? Supraspinatus, very, very important. This is for, it's a bacteria, tuberculosis as well. This is a major one. They call it a heavy hitter because this needs to be balanced. And what you're doing, you're balancing your body, okay? This is a very aggressive pathogen. Most common pathogen in the US and actually worldwide. It's the most common cause of night sweats and hot flashes. So really super easy to, so the manifestations of this is difficulty breathing, shortness of breath, a chronic cough. You can develop gall or kidney stones, hard nodules of calcium buildup, bone or heel spurs, alopecia, hair loss, okay? Our whole body is not separate. You can't just treat the head. You can't just treat here. You can't just treat the stomach. Like everything is interconnected, right? So what we're doing in biomagnetism is seeking balance. We're seeking polarity flow for everything to getting rid of parasites and getting rid of the fungus. So the clove water is going to be a big assistance in this as well. So you can read, you've got the photos, but associated illnesses, anyone with lung, throat, or brain cancers, right? So again, when you look at this, you see how you look at this picture here? The red, just know that this is the left side of the body, okay? Anytime that you see red, it's the left side of the body, okay? Black magnet is on the right side of the body. So it's kind of like you have to flip that, or just imagine that that person is laying down, right? That is their left side. Okay, so left side of my body, positive's going to go right here, right at the top of your shoulders, right? So you feel your clavicle bone, and it's just right the top of your shoulders. Tape the red on the left, tape the black on the right, okay? And you're just gonna leave it there. Like, do as many as you can and just relax for 15 minutes, even 20 minutes. Lung, this is for hair loss as well. Alopecia, shortness of breath, chronic cough, like a lot. This helps to open the lungs and improve your breathing as well. So a lot of these biomagnetic pairs that I'm sharing with you, it helps a lot. There will be like one thing that maybe you're working on, but it's going to help correct a lot of other ones. So on the back, so your left hand side is going to be right between the shoulder blades. You're going to put your red magnet. So you just go, have some tape already on it. Love the Blue Painter's tape. That seems to work the absolute best. Okay, so it's going to be right between the shoulder blades, and you're going to just feel where your shoulder blade is, and you're just going to put it right there. stick it with the tape. Okay, and then you do the other one. So that is called lung. So it's a really good one for the lungs. Your quadriceps, this is your chemical detox one. So it's literally right on your quadriceps, on your thighs, your quadricep muscle. And this is, there's a whole host of things, but your chemical detox is from cosmetics, hairsprays, nail polishes, pharmaceutical drugs, pesticides, all of that. So literally on the left side, right, on your quadriceps. So you're gonna put, let me stand up here. On the left side, take your big magnet and place it right here. Lots of times when I'm just sitting down, I'll have them just on me like that. So red on the left, black on the right. Tape them on your quadriceps. Okay? So like right in this area right here. Kind of like when you put your hands down on the side and kind of go over, that's your quadriceps. Okay. That's a really good one. So the medial knee ligament, so this is for fungus. So what you're going to do, you're going to put, and it's on the left, both magnets goes on the left side of the leg, both of the magnets, okay? So you're going to put the negative one in the middle of the knee, follow your pictures, and you're going to put the positive one right down on the medial malleosis. That's a big name for your ankle bone, okay? So, same leg. Okay, on the left, and that works for dandruff as well. Your radius, this is a fungal point as well. So this is persistent dandruff, a ringworm, a glaucoma. So this affects your eyes. So on the left, you're going to go up your radial artery, okay? On the radial side, you're just going to put it like right like that. Okay, follow your pictures. Now, alopecia, so this was from a different course that I did, and this is and lots of times they would show us, okay, if I'm looking for alopecia, it shows me all the different ones, and you'll see it's showing what is in blue. Like I've got it highlighted blue, so that is it. So you're going to put, and again, the very first word is always, if it's the first word, it's negative. It's a negative polarity. So the hypothalamus is going to go on the back of my head. So, and that would be on the right-hand side. Put the black magnet right here. Use a little something for your hair to stick the magnet to. And you're going to put the positive right here. And you can use one of the little magnets too, right? So this goes on your pituitary gland, or they have a big fancy name for it. Both of these glands, your pituitary gland and your hypothalamus, okay, meets in the middle of the brain. So having this there, the magnetism is going like right into the middle of the brain, and it's doing its thing. Okay, so that is, let me see. That's it. It says alopecia is the hair loss that can lead to baldness. It is more common in men than in women, but it can be due to multiple imbalances in your body. So, okay, so hopefully that gives you some tips on just how to do that. And me explaining it took about 15 minutes. For you to just go through your photos and apply takes you 5 minutes to do. Relax for 13 to 15 minutes, and then you can remove them. Just follow the pictures, and if you have to put left or an L in the right, just so that you know, make little notes, right? Because that's really important. And yeah, okay. Well, hopefully that helps. Okay.